Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. I hope you all are doing well. So today we'll start a new chapter, that is Earth in the solar system. Okay, so let's begin. Now children, like the universe, like the sun, the moon and all the stars that we see in the night sky, all these are called celestial bodies and they are all part of the universe. Now you see children, the universe is a vast space which is believed to be formed with a big explosion known as the Big Bang Theory. Now, according to this theory, the universe was formed 13.8 billion years ago, and when a huge burning ball of fire consisting matter such as gases, dust particles, and other elements exploded with a big bang. And due to this explosion, all the matter from it was thrown out with a great force in all directions. And the tiny particles grouped together and they formed atoms, which are the smallest particles of elemental matter. Then these atoms came together to form galaxies. Now there are billions of galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars along with their solar systems. Now, next we have that is stars. Yes, we see the stars in the night sky, so we'll talk about them. Now, celestial bodies which are made up of hot gases and which produce their own heat and light are called stars. Now, the sun, for example, that we see in the sky is one among the billions of stars in the galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. In Hindi, if we see, it's known as Akash, Ganga. Alright, now the stars we see from Earth during the night are the other stars of the Milky Way. And they appear so small because they are very far away from the Earth. And these stars, they are the main sources of heat and light for the planets. And our sun also belongs to the Milky Way galaxy. You can see the picture here. So all these stars, they appear so small because they are very far away from the Earth. And they provide heat and light to all the planets. Okay, now next up we have that is constellations. Now children, what are these constellations? Now the group of stars that appears to form a pattern in the sky is called a constellation. Now if we see children, there are like 88 constellations in the sky, and among them Ursa Major, which is also known as Big Dipper or Great Bear, is one of them. And this Ursa Major, it is called Saptarshi in India. Now, as you can see the picture here, there are 7 stars in this constellation, which form the shape of a big spoon. Okay, so that's why it's called the Big Dipper. Now the Great Bear, it's a Latin term and the name came from a she bear. Okay, so that's the thing. Now when we see this Ursa Major, children, you can see the 2 stars at the end of the constellation. These are called pointers. Okay, and all the stars of the Ursa Major that you can see here, they have got different mythological names, mythological terms according to Indian mythology. Okay, so these 2 pointers, they are at the end of the constellation, and these has got name. One is Mirak and another is the Dhuvi. So they always point towards the pole star, which is also known as Polaris or the North Star, and it's the brightest star. Okay, so that's the thing. Now, along with this Ursa Major, there are some other famous constellations such as Ursa Minor, Orion, Scorpius, Hydra, Cygnus, Cassiopeia. So all these are the other famous constellations. Okay, that's the thing. Now, next up we have, that is light year. Now, what is this light year? Now, light travels at a speed of 3 lakh kilometer per second. Just imagine. And the distance traveled by light in a year is called a light year. Okay, so the distance traveled by light in a whole year, that is called a light year. Alright, and if you see the distance light travels in a year, it's around 9.5 trillion kilometers. Just imagine, guys, 9.5 trillion kilometers. Okay, now as I have said that there are various galaxies, billions of galaxies in the universe. Alright, so we'll talk about another galaxy. Yes, children. So this is the Andromeda galaxy, and this is the closest major galaxy to the Earth. This is the closest one. And children, this Andromeda galaxy, it lies about 2.5 million light years away from the Earth. And if you see in the future, there has been some speculation that in the future this Andromeda galaxy and the Milky Way galaxy, they are expected to collide in about 4.5 billion years. Okay, so don't know what's going to happen during that time. So let's see. So what happens? Okay, so that's all we have in this session. So in the next session, we will discuss about our solar system. So until the next time with some other topics, bye bye.